running Meta ads to receive new leads for my business. Yes, here on my screen you can see a Facebook page of my digital marketing agency with the name Digital Dynamics. And here to receive new leads for my business, I'm running some Meta ads. So here running ads and receiving leads is first task, but managing them into a CRM is another very important task. So here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a magical automation using which you can automatically capture your Meta ads leads and add into any of the CRM as per your requirement. Yes, you heard it right. Here on my screen, you can see a simple connection that I've set up between my Facebook lead ad and my Salesforce CRM. Now, whenever I receive a new lead through my Meta ads, instantly that lead is added as a new contact into my Salesforce CRM. Sounds magical, right? So now here, before moving forward with the automation, let me show you how it actually works by generating a test lead inside my Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, I'm going to use a lead ads testing tool by Meta. So for that, let me take you to Meta for developers. Here I've already logged into my account. From here, select resources and then select developer tools. Under developer tool, select lead ads R2 debug tool. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta. Here I'm going to select my page that I have with the name Digital Dynamics, product as lead retrieval and the form as new lead ads form copy. So we're going to click on this preview form, click on this continue, and here we're going to add some dummy details. For the first name, I'm going to enter it as Smart, last name as lead, email as smartlead0011@pabblytunes.com. This is a random phone number. Let's click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully generated a test lead using our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check our Salesforce account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see a new contact has been created inside our Salesforce account with the name Smart Lead. Here you can see a phone number, email address as well. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. First, if you're a new user, click on sign up for free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached the coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to build a new connection, we are going to create a workflow first, and here you can see three methods. First, if you want to build a workflow step by step, select create from scratch. To build a workflow completely using AI prompts, use create using AI, and for a quick workflow setup, use quick builder. Here I'm going to start a fresh chat and it is asking, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to describe my workflow and give it as a prompt to this quick workflow builder. So let me add it. It says when a new lead comes in from Facebook lead ads, add it to Salesforce. After analyzing my request, it is asking which Facebook lead ads trigger should start this workflow. So I'm going to select new lead instant, and for the Salesforce, I'm going to select create contact. Here you can have a preview of your workflow. If it's correct, select approve and create, and here we have received our workflow link. So with this, we have successfully set up our workflow using quick workflow builder. Now let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up up our trigger. So here we are going to build a new connection and click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. Here I easily got connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. So then here it is asking for a page name and the lead gen form. So as you know that I have a page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down. And for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So let's access it. And now here in Meta Business Suite, I'm going to select all tools. Under all tools, select instant forms. Now under lead ads form, you can see different forms with different names. In this case, I'm going to use this topmost form. You can create the form as per your requirement. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down. Here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to update this response format to simple because I want to receive the response in a simple organized format. Alright, then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means you have to receive a response. We need to do a test submission. And to do a test submissions, again, we are going to generate a test lead using lead ads testing tool by Meta. So let me take you there, and it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. So I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Again, we are going to select our page, product, and the form. So let me do that. Here I'm going to select my page, product as lead retrieval, and my form. Let's click on this preview form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. For the first name, let it be demo, last name as lead, email as demo0011@pablitudes.com, and a random phone number. Then we're going to click on this continue and then submit. You can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check out Pabbly's workflow. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. Once we have received the new lead details, then instantly I want to add them as a new contact inside my Salesforce account. So again, we are going to build a new connection over here. And here Pabbly is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. You can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for a first name, last name, email, and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad. Instantly, this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter / first. Here we are going to map the first name. Then here we are going to map the last name. Then here we are going to map the email address. Here we are going to map the phone number. And then these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the lead source, select web, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact inside our Salesforce account. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new contact has been created over here with the same name, number, and the email address. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Salesforce. So that we're going to receive a new lead through our Meta ads. Instantly that lead detail is added into our CRM, which is Salesforce CRM. Similarly, you can connect any of your CRM choice as per your requirement. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to add your Meta ad leads into CRM. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.